Hey, coffee connoisseurs! Get ready to elevate your home brewing experience as we delve into the world of the best espresso machines. Whether you're a seasoned barista or a casual coffee lover, finding the perfect espresso machine can transform your daily ritual. In this video, we'll showcase top-notch options that strike the ideal balance between performance, features, and affordability. From sleek designs to advanced brewing technologies, we've got it all covered. Stay tuned to discover the ultimate companions for your espresso journey. Hit subscribe and let's brew some perfection together. Number 1. DeLonghi Stilosa Manual Espresso Machine. The DeLonghi Stilosa Manual Espresso Machine, in black and stainless, offers a compact and contemporary design for home brewing enthusiasts. Equipped with a 15 bars pump, this espresso machine ensures optimal pressure for extracting a rich single or double espresso. The 1,100-watt machine, weighing 9.5 pounds, features a stainless steel and plastic construction, combining durability and aesthetics. The 1,200-milliliter capacity caters to various coffee preferences. A notable special feature is the manual milk frother, allowing users to texture milk effortlessly for authentic lattes, cappuccinos, or flat whites. The machine's efficiency is complemented by an auto shutoff feature for convenience and safety. Brewing lattes, cappuccinos, and espressos becomes a convenient home affair with the DeLonghi Stilosa. Its user-friendly design, contemporary aesthetics, and efficient features make it a valuable addition to any modern kitchen, offering the pleasure of crafting professional-quality coffee beverages at home. Why we love it? 15 bars pump for optimal espresso extraction. Compact, contemporary design perfect for modern kitchens. Manual milk frother for authentic lattes and cappuccinos. Auto shutoff for convenience and safety. Number 2. Breville Barista BES 870XL. The Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine, clad in brushed stainless steel, epitomizes the Barista series, providing a third-wave specialty coffee experience at home. Weighing 23 pounds, it stands as an all-in-one espresso solution with an integrated grinder, allowing users to transition from beans to espresso in under a minute. This machine adheres to the 4-keys formula for perfect espresso. Dose control grinding, facilitated by an integrated precision conical burr grinder, ensures the right amount of freshly ground coffee for personalized taste. The low-pressure pre-infusion optimizes water pressure, extracting flavors evenly during extraction for a balanced cup. With digital temperature control, precise espresso extraction is guaranteed as water is delivered at the ideal temperature. The manual microfoam milk texturing feature, powered by a robust steam wand, enables the creation of flavorful microfoam for enhanced lattes and artistic expressions. Why we love it? Third-wave specialty coffee at home. Integrated grinder for beans to espresso in under a minute. Precise espresso extraction with digital temperature control. Manual microfoam milk texturing for latte art. Number 3. Gevi Espresso Machine. The Gevi Espresso Machine is a compact and efficient super-automatic espresso maker designed for home use. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it features a 34 ounces removable water tank, offering convenience for brewing multiple cups without constant refilling. Boasting a powerful 1,100.00 wattage and 120-volt voltage, this espresso machine ensures a quick and effective brewing process. One standout feature is the professional frothing wand, capable of creating silky and smooth milk foam for cappuccinos and lattes. The 360-degree rotating steam wand enhances the frothing experience. The machine incorporates a double temperature control system, allowing precise adjustments for water temperature and milk foam taste, ensuring the ideal brewing conditions. The Gevi espresso machine is user-friendly with a highly clear control panel, featuring a temperature dial for easy monitoring. Ideal for coffee enthusiasts, it recommends using 2 cups of 60 milliliters with approximately 14 g of coffee powder for the best concentration. Why we love it? Professional frothing wand with 360-degree rotation. Dual temperature control system ensures precise adjustments. Clear temperature dial for easy monitoring. Compact design with a removable drip tray and stainless steel nozzle. Number 4. Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine. The Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine, finished in brushed stainless steel, epitomizes compact elegance. Delivering a potent 1560 watts, this espresso machine ensures a robust brewing performance. Designed with a generous 64 fluid ounces capacity, the Bambino Plus stands out for its integrated milk frother, enhancing the versatility of coffee creations. Its sleek stainless steel construction not only adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen, but also guarantees durability. With a weight of just 3.1 pounds, it's easy to maneuver and fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup. Noteworthy features include the espresso machine's ability to handle 4 pounds of coffee grounds, catering to avid coffee enthusiasts. The product package, weighing 15.74 pounds, includes all necessary components for a complete coffee-making experience. As a testament to its quality, the Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine stands out as a reliable coffee maker, marrying style, functionality, and ease of use for coffee aficionados. Why we love it? Sleek brushed stainless steel design. Powerful 1560 watts ensure a robust brewing performance. Generous 64-ounce capacity with integrated milk frother. Lightweight and compact at 3.1 pounds. Number 5. ILAVIE Espresso Machines. The ILAVIE Espresso Machine, in a striking bright silver color, is a home barista's dream with its 20-bar high-pressure pump and 1,350W heating system. This stainless steel marvel guarantees rich crema and creamy milk froth for lattes, cappuccinos, or flat whites in no time. Standout features include an adjustable milk frother with a powerful rotating stainless steel steam wand, allowing users to create barista-quality froth for a personalized touch. The machine boasts a quick start system with a 45-second preheat time and automatic shutoff for precise espresso amounts. Dual thermostat controls ensure optimal water and milk foam temperatures. Practicality shines through with a 1,000 milliliters removable water tank for multiple brews, a visible water level, and a detachable drip tray for accommodating larger cups. This compact design brings the joy of coffee shop quality beverages to any home or office countertop, emphasizing ease of use, practicality, and customization for the home barista. Why we love it? Powerful 20-bar pump for rich crema. Adjustable stainless steel steam wand. Quick 25 to 45S preheat and auto shutoff. Practical 1,000 milliliters tank, cup warmer, and detachable accessories. Number 6. Breville Bambino Espresso Machine. The Breville Bambino Espresso Machine, in brushed stainless steel, boasts a 47 fluid ounce capacity and a robust 1,560 watt power, delivering a perfect balance of convenience and performance. Designed for manual operation, it encourages user engagement. The machine features low-pressure pre-infusion, gradually increasing pressure to draw out flavors evenly for a harmoniously balanced cup. An automatic steam wand with adjustable settings enables precise microfoam milk texturing, allowing users to tailor milk temperature and texture according to their preferences. This feature not only ensures barista-quality microfoam, but also facilitates the creation of intricate latte art for a personalized touch. Enhancing precision, the espresso machine incorporates digital temperature control, guaranteeing water at the optimum temperature for precise espresso extraction. Weighing 10.9 pounds, this Breville Bambino espresso machine is a testament to its durable stainless steel construction, making it a stylish and functional addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. Why we love it? 47 fluid ounce capacity for ample brewing. Low pressure pre-infusion ensures balanced flavor extraction. Automatic steam wand enables precise milk texturing. Digital temperature control ensures optimal espresso extraction. Thanks for joining us on the quest for the perfect brew. If you're a coffee enthusiast, finding the best espresso machine is crucial. We've covered top-notch options in this video. If you enjoyed our recommendations, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more coffee content. Share your favorite espresso machine in the comments below. For the ultimate coffee experience, hit that bell icon to stay updated. Happy brewing and see you in the next video.